to save my image, I can do this in a number of different ways. If I'm going to save it as a Photoshop file, so that way I can go back and edit it, I can do File, Save, and it's already saved as a Photoshop file here. So to show that again, File, Save As, and I will save it as Beachcat Complete, and it will save it as a Photoshop file and save. And it's going to come up with this question, which I just keep it compatibility, say okay. And then I go to File, Save As, if I want to save it as a different file type. So for example, if I want this image to be saved as a JPEG, one that does not have transparency, but is an easily exchangeable file format that Facebook, Instagram, any sort of sharing media that you would like to make, this will work. You'll see that my other visibility of my files disappears. I would do save, and it's going to ask me what kind of quality I want, and I'm just going to keep it at 12 for the max, say okay. Now say for example, I wanted to have a bit of transparency in this. I did not want to have my background. I can then go to File, Save As, and in the same area here, I can then go to PNG. And this is going to allow me to save a file with transparency. So save, and just do large file size and say okay. So now when I look at this image in other platforms, I will see that this does not have any information there, and we'll only see this here. Finally, if I want to save as a PDF, go to File, Save As, and you'll see this listed as a Photoshop PDF. And this will save it as a PDF that can then be read by Adobe Acrobat or e-readers if you're trying to share a poster file, for example.